Choosing a perfect bed design is crucial for creating a comfortable and stylish bedroom. Imagine coming back to home after a long tiring day and falling asleep in a cozy bed. In this video we will see how to select the ideal bed design that suits your needs and preferences. Choosing a right bed size according to your room is very important. The beds, which look beautiful in showroom, it is not necessary that it will also look good in our bedroom. In our country, mostly bedroom sizes are not very big. They are generally limited to 10 by 10, or 10 by 12. If you put a big bed in these rooms, or a bed which is having a big headboard, these will not be a good choice. Rather, go for those bed designs which are light in color, have a small but functional headboard, easy to maintain and are always trendy and stylish. There should be much space left around our bed, so that we can easily move in our room. Also, space is necessary to use the storage of our bed. From all the three sides, from left, right and front, there must be some space. Storage in the bed is also an important part, which you can never take for granted. Many of our items, which we use occasionally, finds their best place in form of our bed storage. There are many kinds of storage options available for our bed, and depending upon the type of lift, whether it is manual or hydraulic, cost of bed depends. Also see for the finishing of bed from inside and the quality of hardware used in making it. When we go to buy a bed, it is supposed to be with us for at least 10 to 15 years. And sometimes, good quality bed makes its way from one generation to another. So it should be durable enough to last long with us. Durability comes with a cost. Beds which are made from natural wood, high-quality MDF boards and good quality ply boards are durable. Also look for the quality of hardware used, fabric quality, finishing of the product and paint quality. Choice of bed also depends on its usage in day-to-day life and our lifestyle. If the bed is going to be used occasionally, only in your guest room, then you can think of a luxurious bed. But if you are going to use your bed regularly, then go with those kind of designs that are versatile, sturdy and can go with any kind of bedroom theme and decor style. Please, take a look on these bed designs, which are almost touching the ground. Can you imagine that you will ever be able to clean the floor area, which is below your bed? And if by chance, your kid loves to hide things under the bed, then how you will manage to get back that stuff?